Go.
Alright, I'm Cooler 10, and then this is part 2 of our...
Alright, let's see if we could get it all. Alright. Next time we're switching sides, you have that bump thing. If it lands on the bump. Yep. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Over back here. Oh, go on. Ah, shit. Oh.
Yeah, YouTube, there may be a part 3.
Especially from the long part 3 skate videos that I won against the guy who does tech deck.
Shut up!
Ah! Oh god, this is fun. I hate that bump.
Yeah, and I hate the fact that your thing is curved. Does that count?
If it lands on the bump, then... You can't do that.
I know. Yeah, get a 2 shot.
If it lands on the bump, it's a point.
Like that?
Yep. What a snag, eh?
Oh.
Don't even go there.
Ah.
So much for a beautiful city.
This is sponsored by Rip Curl.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Okay, there's a touchdown.
Ah. YouTube, I have not gotten a shot this round.
I've gotten 2. That was like that. I could flip it so much. I took advantage of that. Try like that. Ah! Bitch.
Here we go, guys. Best shot ever.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll be right back with part 3.